Here's the internet income system. I'm gonna show you exactly about this software that I honestly know you're gonna have some awesome success with this software. And there's more to come. It's revamped. It's not brand new. It's revamped. Jeff Long is behind this system. He already has so much results with his softwares, and there's three different products with this system. So there's the builder, which is a video funnel. I'll show you how that works. I have that product. Then there's the creator and the mentor. I don't have that product yet. So the creator is for those who want to come in and maybe not do their own short form video. Here's a library of around 7,000 short form videos that you can repurpose on all platforms, and start seeing results on your social media. The mentor program is ran by Marcus Taylor, which is a highly motivational speaker. A lot of people pay him a lot of money to come speak. Very powerful, and that's included in here too. So what's making money online without the mindset? You know, a lot of people don't understand the mindset, and that's why they quit. So three, powerful products, and I'm sure they're going to add to this as the year goes on. Powerful products right here. How it's going to work is you're going to earn $20, 100% commission from the builder. It's $20. The creator is $250. You're going to earn $100 commission. The mentor is $1,000. You're going to earn a $400 commission, and that's powerful. So there's some overrides as well. So when you start referring people for the creator and mentor program, every time one of your referrals, offer a creator and mentor, you're going to earn the same that they're going to earn. So you're going to earn $100 for someone that you didn't even, refer, and you're going to earn $400 as well. So if you're someone that says, hey, I can afford the $20, but I can't afford the other ones yet, it's another incentive. So what's going to happen is if someone purchases the creator and you don't have it because you don't have the resale rights, it's going to pass up to your sponsor, to the person that invited you or referred you to this program. What's powerful about this is every time you pass someone up because you don't have the product, you have 5 times for that to happen. So after 5 pass ups, you're going to have access to the earnings from that product. So after that 5th one, everyone that purchases the creator, but through you, when they are referred to your link, you're going to start earning on that as well. So you're not going to have access to the product, but you're at least going to be able to earn from it without purchasing it. So that's amazing as well. And that's way more amazing than not earning on it at all because you don't have the resale rights. So that's that. It's a very simple compensation plan. I actually show you a little bit around. You see from the beginning, this is the system. This is a fresh system. You can see your leads at the bottom. Here's your link to promote the system. Here's right to the registration page. They have some affiliate stuff, so you see your subscribers. You can also come and see your links. You can create tracking links. So tracking links is say, hey, you want to promote this link just on Facebook or just on another social media. You can create it here, name it, and you can track the hits. They show your commissions and they show your team, and they have a get help tab, and the rest is the product. So the product that I have right now is the video software. So I'm actually going to show you it in real time. So we're going to come here. You can edit it, copy, duplicate, and I'm going to click view page. So this is amazing. This is, mainly for phones, where everyone will be probably seeing your information. So what's so powerful about this is it's easy to set up, but you can have as you see, I have a cover on it, which is this picture. You're going to play it. It's a little lag. I don't know what's going on with my computer, but what's so powerful about this, what's going to happen is when this video ends, it's going to go to the link that you sent it. So they can either on PC, you can click continue right away, but as soon as the video ends, it's going to automatically redirect to whatever website you want. What's so powerful about this is it's pretty much warming people up, so they can say, hey, he didn't just send me to a link, it's actually him. Wow, it's him. And then when they get through the video, they're going to know a little bit more about what's going on, and then Bob's going to take them to the sales page, which is next level as it's in itself. Everyone's going to be like, wow, I've never seen this before. Now they're going to feel, more warmed up, more understanding, more trusting you. and then it's going to take them right where you want them to go. So you can link this to a landing page and then have it go to this as a bridge page. You can do it in email. So instead of just keep sending people to links and different pages, you can send them to different videos. You can have them specialized. Hey, it's Halloween. I wanted to give you the, you can get very creative with this. So this is a very powerful software. And let's see if it might skip a little bit. So let's just see if we can get through it. And there you go, guys. Next level. If you see the power in this software, you should understand why I feel like this program is going to make me $8,000 this month. It's amazing. And like I said, after this, you have the creator. So people can actually get short form videos that they need if they don't want, or you can, if in case you don't want to make your own videos. And then when you're ready, or if you're like, man, I need my mindset to go to the next level, you can get into the mentor program. And now you're going to be everything you need to be in this industry to improve and upgrade your income. So it's not new, but everyone's not talking about it right now because it's revamped. You know how marketers do, they're all over the place. But let me show you how to create a funnel real quick. It's a whole long video right here. You can actually watch. It's going to show you exactly how it works. But you're going to put your name. You're going to be able to upload. It might make me actually, let's just do demo. You're going to put your name. You're going to add a video like the one you've seen, a vertical video. It might not let me go to the next level. All right, here, then you're going to add a cover if you want a cover so it looks a little nicer. You can do that in Canva for free. And then you're going to add, it's not going to let me. So then next you're going to add, let's see. All right, next you're going to add the link you wanted to redirect. You can add here. This was giving me a hard time. It just mainly wants to stay on continue. I don't think you can change it, but you can see maybe they'll update that where you can actually write whatever you want. And then you can come to advanced. And here you can either toggle this and change and switch the colors up. And you can say how many seconds do you want before that button popped up. And then you can just launch the video right here. And that's where you're going to be able to, there's no video here, but that's where you will be able to click this and actually see how it looks, which I have nothing here. You see, so this is where everything will be. It's that simple. 7-8 minutes and you have a video funnel, and here's the link. You can copy this, you can send it to someone, you can hyperlink it, you can attach it to a landing page like I'm gonna do. Like for example, you go to relaxingmoney.com, you're gonna already go anyways. You can fill out my application and then it's gonna redirect you to that video. So that's the internet income system. It's amazing. It's going to make us a lot of money. Now you can get paid through Stripe, and we show you exactly how to set a Stripe up. That's just so you can get paid instantly. Or if you do it with the company, they pay out, I want to say 40% commissions, but they'll process the payment for you, probably through a third party. But if you want all your money and you want it instantly, Stripe is the way to go. We show you exactly how to set it up. So this is this is going to be amazing. I hope you enjoy this video.